Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my channel IB All Designing Developer. My name is Inshal Beg. I am a full stack developer and graphic designer. Like in previous class we have learned that what is website blocker in Python, and I hope you all enjoyed that class. Now in this class we will see that what is random Wikipedia generator in Python, and I hope you will also enjoy this class like you are enjoying all previous classes. So let's start. Now just you have to go to window and now open your text editor over here. Okay, so I am opening my text editor here. Okay, Atom is my text editor, so I am opening it over here. So now here you can see this, there is coming really options. I have already downloaded my Kite, so there are coming options and it is already downloaded in my PC. Okay, so now for taking the Wikipedia article, first of all you have to set like what article you want to take. Okay, in Wikipedia there are many titles over here. Okay, so like I will write Python. Okay, Python, a programming language over here, so you can all see this. Now if I press Python programming language over here, so now here you can see this, all information of Python programming language is here in Wikipedia. Okay, you can see this. Now we will copy this information over here. Now first of all you have to do like just copy this URL. Okay, so now just control C. Okay, over here just go over here, then URL will come, just control C, copied. Okay, you can also take any Wikipedia article if you want to. I am just taking of Python programming language over here, which is in wikipedia.org. Now just when you have done this all, just you have to go to Atom text editor over here, and now when we have done, just you have to first of all save your file. Okay, first of all we have to give it name. Okay, we will give it name like Wikipedia. Okay, because our file is of Wikipedia, and .py is really important like you all know, and we have discussed it in many classes and many topics over here. Okay, so you have to write .py and it is really important to write over here. Okay, so now just on desktop you have to save your file. Okay, you can also save anywhere you want to. I am saving my file on desktop over here. Okay, so now here you can see this, there are many options like on file, edit, view, selection, find, packages, help over here. From edit you can undo or redo or cut, copy or paste anything over here, and from file you can take new window and open file or open folder and add any project folder over here. Okay, so now like this you can do many things, and you can toggle also full screen and menu bar, then selection, add selection above, and you can also add selection below if you want to, and you can find many things like find in buffer, replace in buffer, select next, select all. You can take many things in it. Okay, and you can take packages also. Okay, like command palette and like bracket matcher and like git diff, github, many things are in this text editor, and if you don't know about it, so you can take its help. Okay, from here view terms of use, view license, check for update. Okay, you can also check for update if you want to, and documentation you can also do, and frequently asked question like what question asked for this text editor, so you can also take the help from there. Okay, first of all here you have to write import tag. Okay, so I am writing like import over here, and now with import tag we will define like web browser. Okay, because any URL or any link if you write, it is on your web browser. Okay, if it is anything like Google Chrome or Firefox or anything Internet Explorer, so these are all web browser, and every link and every website is on web browser when you search over here. Okay, so now here you can see this, I have defined my import web browser. Okay, so if you want to, so you can also take Wikipedia articles, or if you want to take any website, means any website like Wikipedia, so you can also take the link of this, and you can also take the Python programming language URL from there also. Okay, but I am taking from Wikipedia because it is a random Wikipedia generator which we are making over here. Okay, so now here you can see this import web browser over here we have written, and now here just you have to do like press enter, and now here you have to define like web browser again. Okay, and now with web browser just you have to write like dot, which will be open, and it will be with new tab. Okay, just new, and here you have to write tab. Okay, because when we will open anything, so it is open a new tab over here, so we are defining like web browser dot open underscore new underscore tab. If you want to write dot, so you can also write dot over here, but I am just writing underscore. Okay, so now just you have to write brackets, then in brackets you have to write strings. Okay, these are really important, you have to write these strings, because if you don't write it, it will give syntax error to you. Okay, so you have to write this two strings over here. Okay, so now here you can see this, we have defined, just here you have to write like in this strings you have to just paste the URL that you have copied from your Wikipedia article. Okay, here you can see this, I have copied this URL, just go to your text editor over here, paste it. So you can see this, I have pasted my my URL over here. You can see this Python programming language URL is pasted. Now if I save it, okay, if I save and now if I run it on command prompt, okay, so now if I write like Python, just if first of all we have to write location, okay, like you all know that, because we have to first of all define the location where is our file over here. So I am writing CD desktop because my file is on desktop. If your file is on download, so you can write like CD downloads, okay. So I am writing CD desktop, press enter. Now write your file name with Python over here. So Python, okay, Python, which will be now Wikipedia, because my file name is wikipedia.py. If you press enter, so you can see this, I have gone automatically on my Python URL, means Python Wikipedia article I have already, and automatically I have go over here, okay. So now if you close it, now if I take like, if you close this command prompt also, now if I save it again, okay, so now if I take like go over here and now if I take JavaScript, okay, so now here you can see this JavaScript high level programming language. So it is his URL, okay, JavaScript URL is over here and its information. Now I will copy this URL, okay, JavaScript one. Now if I minimize it and now if I paste JavaScript URL over here, so now here you can see the JavaScript URL is pasted. Now if I save it, okay, so now if I save it, now if I go to like command prompt to run it, okay, so I will define my location first of all, like you all know that. Now if I define like Python, which will be now wikipedia.py, okay, like you all know that my file name is Wikipedia, so and .py is really important to write, you all know that because I have talk about it in many classes over here, okay. So .py is really important. Just press enter. Now here you can see this, I am now on my JavaScript module, okay, JavaScript information, and it is JavaScript Wikipedia article over here. So you can see this, I have gone over here. So here in Google Chrome there is also my JavaScript Wikipedia article, and in this internet I have also have my JavaScript URL, okay. So now just close it, and now I hope you understand that what is Wikipedia article in Python, and I hope you also enjoyed this class like you are enjoying all previous classes. So I will meet you in another class. So for today, goodbye.